Hello students, this video is on linear equation. The concept is very easy. Pair of linear equation in two variable. So we shall move to first to simple linear equation. Simple linear equation. What is meant by this? Simple linear equation. Already we have studied, for example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, 5p is equal to 6. These are all simple linear equation. Generally we will say ax plus b is equal to some unknown or 0 or c, anything. Here what is a and b? Here a and b are the real numbers. A and b are the real numbers. Real numbers means we have studied already about the real numbers. A and B are real numbers means any number. 2, 3, this is the real number. 5, 6, these are the real numbers. Any numbers. So what about this x? X is unknown or it is a variable. It is a variable. X is a variable. So, generally we are saying simple linear equation is in the form of ax plus b, but one condition is there, a should not be equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. Suppose a becomes 0, what happens? For example, this equation I have taken here, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Suppose this is a place. This is 0 means 3 equal to 0. So 3 equal to 0. There is no meaning at all for the equation. So a should not be equal to 0. Okay. After simple linear equation, we shall move to the next stage. It is a linear equation. Linear equation in two variable. Here the variable is single. It is a one variable. It is a simple linear equation. It contains one variable. But here we will move to the linear equation in two variables. Okay. Before going for the two variable, let me ask one question and let me know how much you learnt about this in your previous classes. Okay. Dear students, just observe this picture. The cost of these apples and oranges together is rupees 120. Cost of these apples and oranges together is rupees 120. So this one we must write in two variable linear equation form. Can you guess the equation? Just try in your mind. Okay. What you guessed, that you keep yourself. Now I will tell the answer. Okay. Now let one apple as x. Let the apples as x and the oranges as y. Apples as x and oranges as y. Now you observe in the plate how many apples are there? There are 3 apples. And how many oranges are there? There are 5 oranges. Now you can see how can we write apples are x. So x, total 3x. Next oranges are y. Total 5 y's are there. Together cost is how much? Together cost is 120 rupees. Okay, now you saw the picture. By this, how can we write it? One as 3x plus 5y is equal to 120. 3x plus 5y is equal to 120. Now this is a simple linear equation in two variable. Why the variable is x and y. These are two different variables. So we are saying it as a simple linear equation in two variable equations. Okay. So generally what we can say? Generally we can say ax plus by that is equal to some unknown, either c or 0, anything you can write. Here a, b, c are the real numbers, means some numbers are real numbers. Okay, x and y are the variables. Okay, now we shall move to our topic, pair of linear equation in two variable. This is a linear equation in two variable. Now extra is pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation. Here I said just linear equation in two variable. Here pair of linear equation in two variable. What is mean by this? What is the difference between here and here? Here we can see a single equation. Here you can see a single equation. Like this, same one more equation is needed. That time it becomes pair of linear equation. For example, I have taken here 3x plus 5y is equal to 120. One more example I will take, 4x plus or minus, your wish, you can take anything, 6y is equal to 80. Now, same type of two equations we can see here. These two equations we are calling it as a pair of linear equation. But here condition is there. What is that condition? For example, I will take here 3x plus 5y is equal to 120. Here I'll take 5a plus 6b is equal to 90. Is this one a pair of linear equation? No, it is wrong. It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Why means here the variables are differ. Here the variables are different. Here x is there, y is there, but here a is there, b is there. This is not possible. This becomes now linear equation. This becomes now linear equation, but not pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation means variable must be same. That condition is there. Okay, now how can we write this one as generally? As generally, we will write a1x plus b1y plus, I'll take one more constant here, c1 is equal to 0, means 120. I'll take this side, that's all, minus 120. Okay, here a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now here a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, a1, a2, sorry, not a3, b1, b2, c1, c2, all are the real numbers. All are the real numbers. And x and y are the variables. X and y are variables. But here also there is one condition. a1 should not be equal to 0. a2 should not be equal to 0. Same, b1 should not be equal to 0. b2 should not be equal to 0. I think you understood why it should not be equal to 0. In this, anyone, if it becomes 0, that will get cancelled and remaining is a one variable. Then it will not become two variable equations. That becomes a one variable equation. For that reason, this should not be equal to 0. Okay. Next we shall move to the geometrical representation of linear equation. Geometrical representation of linear equation. Linear equation. Okay. Now, already we have studied in our previous classes, that is, if given two lines in a plane, the possibilities are what? The first possibility is, the two lines are given in a plane, what are the possibilities we may get? There are three chances are there. First chance is lines will intersect at one point. Lines will intersect at one point. Means the figure will come like this. Like this. These are the lines. They intersect at only one point. This may come. Or the second chance is lines will not intersect. They will not intersect. They may be a parallel lines. Lines may be a parallel lines. Lines are parallel. How parallel means? We know. Parallel line. These are the parallel lines. Like this also we may get. Or the third one. Two lines will coincide. Two lines will coincide. How coinciding means? This is the first line. One more line is upon this only. Means same points we will get in both the equations. These are the three chances. Now we shall see these three chances in the graphical, means in the graph. Okay dear students, better you use a graph book here to solve the problems. Okay, now we'll take one problem. Equation as y is equal to half x. This is a given equation 1, and one more equation, because it's a pair of linear equations, two equations are needed. One more equation is 3x plus 4y, that is equal to 20. Okay, now we have to solve this one first. Before solving, rearrange the equation. So how can we write? I'll take this 2 here. By the cross multiplication, this becomes 2 into y, 2y, that is equal to 1 into x, that is x. Now we shall rearrange the equation. I'll take this one here, I'll move this one here. This becomes x minus 2y. Why? Because it is plus here. While moving or while crossing a equal sign, automatically the sign will get changed. Plus becomes minus 2y. Okay. That is equal to nothing is remained in the left hand side, so I'll write it here it as 0. I think you understood how to move. X is here, I have taken this one here. Actually the equation comes 0 is equal to x minus 2y. So I written it properly, x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is already in the proper way, so no need to change anything. Okay, now I'll take few values for x and x or y. Okay, let me to take the values for x now. Substituting here also okay, or substituting for this equation also okay. Which one is comfortable for you? For that you substitute. Okay, I think this is easy to substitute. Let it be the equation like this. We will take here only this one, x equal to 2y. If I would take the values, I will take the values for x. I'll take not for x, I will take the values for y. I'll take y is equal to 0. Let y is equal to 0. What happens here? When I'm taking y equal to 0, this place becomes 0. So x equal to 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is nothing but 0. Okay. Now, second value I will take y is equal to, you can take 1, 2, anyone, your wish. I'll take little for 2. Next number is 2. So what happens? X equal to 2 into 2, that is x equal to 4. Be careful while substituting the value. If you are taken y equal to means you have to substitute in the place of y only, not in the place of x. Take care of this. Okay, enough 2 points I think. Next, here we will take the points. Just you think and take the point. Okay, now I will take the values for, I'll take let, for any variable you can take. I'll take here for x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, this becomes 3 into 0. In the place of x, I have tried 0. 3 into 0. plus 4y. Don't change y value. Okay. Now 3 into 0 is 0 itself. Then it is a 4y, that is equal to 20. So 4y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 4 comes down, 20 by 4, that is equal to 5. Okay, first value we got. Okay, second one. Any number you can take, but see, it must divide and go, then it becomes easy. That's all. Okay, I will take here x is equal to 5. Okay, 3 into 5, in the place of x it is 5. 4y is equal to 20. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 4y that is equal to 20. Now this 15 I will move to the right hand side first. 4y is equal to, write this one first, 20. The plus 15 becomes minus 15. Then 4y is equal to 20 minus 15 is 5. Y is equal to 5 by 4. Here comes a decimal one. 1.10285 comes. Okay, we can take one more point. 5 comes as fraction. I'll take x equal to, I'll try for x equal to 4. 4 we will try. Any numbers you can try. 3, 4y is equal to 20. Try to miss the decimal point. We must get a full number, that becomes easy, that's all. 12, 20. Y is equal to 20 minus 12, that is 8. Yeah, here it is divisible. 4y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. So, shall we write the table now? Yes. Here the table becomes x, y. While writing the table, be careful. When x equal to 0, what is the value of y? It is 0 only. When x equal to 4, y value is 2. Be careful, you have taken values for y. Don't write here. You have to write in the down only. Then what is the table of this? This one's table I'll write here itself. Okay. This is the table for x minus 2y is equal to 0, and this is the table for 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Okay, what is the table? X and y. When x is 0, y value we got it as 5. I'll skip this one. I don't want this one. This one because it's a decimal one. I'll skip. I'll take this one. X equal to 4, y becomes 2. You can take any number of points, not only 2. You can take 3, 4, 5, anything. Okay, next we will draw the graph. Y-axis, x-axis, better you refer your blackboard. This is the x-axis, this is the origin. 1, here required is x equal to highest number is 4. So minimum 4 we have to mark. I take it 5, 6, okay, any number. Now here again upper part in y-axis is positive. In the y-axis highest value is here 5. So 3, 4, 5, 9, 6. This is the positive y-axis. This is the negative x-axis. So we have written it as x dash. This is the negative y-axis. So we write it as y dash. Okay. Now mark the points. First equation says 0. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 0, y is 0 means it is in the origin. Both are 0 means it is in the origin. Okay. Second one. When x is is 4, when x is 4, x is 4 here, y is 2. So y is 2, straight to that. Okay, this is the point. 1 is this, 0, comma 0, 1 is 4, comma 2. So should we draw this line? Draw this, we will get a straight line. The line must pass through the points. Okay, this axis, this line is x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, next equation, what is that? 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. We'll draw this one. We'll plot the points. X is 0 when x is 0, y is 5 when x is 0, y axis is 5. This is a 0, comma 5. Always you have to write x coordinate point first, afterwards y coordinate points. Okay, next, when x is 4, y is 2. Once again the same point, so our line will intersect at one point. See here, this is a 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Our lines intersect at one point. So this is the point. So here, first chance, what we said, lines will intersect at one point. Okay, we will try for the next chance. What is that? That we'll see what we will get. Okay, second question is, Romeo went to a stationery shop. Romeo went to a stationery shop and purchased two pencils and three erasers at rupees 9. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers at rupees 18. Represent this equation graphically. This question is there in your reader. You can refer the reader also. Okay, now let me take the pencil as or the cost of the pencil as x rupee. Okay. Next, the cost of the eraser as y rupees. Y. Okay. Now shall we write the equation? You also think in your mind. How can we write? 2 pencil is x, 2x plus 3 eraser, the eraser is y, so 3y is equal to how much? Total how much rupees she has given? 9 rupees. Okay. Next, how many pencils? 4 pencils, 6 erasers, together it is 18. Okay. Now we have to solve this one graphically. So shall we take separate equations? 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. One more is 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Okay. Same method as we done with previous one. Okay. I will take few values here. Any values you can take. I will take x equal to, let x equal to 0. When x is 0, y becomes what? 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 9. 2 into 0 is 0 itself, so 3y is equal equal to 9. 3y is equal to 9. Y becomes 9 by 3. That is 3. Okay. Okay, first one is finished. Next I will take the value x equal to 1 no need, 2 no need. I take it as 3. You can take. You can take any value. No problem. 2 into 3 plus 3 into y is equal to 9. 6 plus 3y is equal to 9. 3y is equal to 6 will come here. 9 minus 6. This is plus. So here becomes minus. So 3y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. You can solve with me simultaneously. Okay. If you are ready. Take one book and solve with me. Okay, next for this equation I'll take the points. I'll take x equal to 0. I will take first. What happens? 4 into 0 plus 6y, that is equal to 18. 4 into 0 is 0. So 6y is equal to 18. 6. So, 6y is equal to 18. Y is equal to 18 divided by the 6. The multiplication, so y coming here becomes a division. 6 3s are, so y is equal to 3 now. Okay, next value I will take here. I'll take the same value. I'll take it as 3 only here also. It is divisible, so no problem. 4 into 3, not 0. 4 into 3, and 4 6 is 3, plus 6y, that is equal to 18. 4 3s are 12. 6y is equal to 18. 6y is equal to 18 minus 12. That is how much? This is 6. So 6y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 divided by 6. That is 1. So now we'll write the table for both. Okay, here, when x and y, when x equal to 0, what the y value we got? 3. When x equal to 3, y value is 1. Here, when x equal to 0, we got y as 3. When x equal to 3, we got y as 1. We got, just you observe the table, both the places, the values are same. So you may think which type of lines we will get now. Okay, here itself I draw some picture of small graph. You refer your graph book. Same way as it is how you drawn the previous one. This is the x-axis. This is the positive side. I need the highest number is 2, 3. Okay, 3 is enough for me. This is the origin. This is the negative axis. Negative numbers are not there, so no need to take down points. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, enough. Now shall we mark the first table. When x equal to 0, y becomes 3. This is the 0, 3. When x equal to 3, y is 1. Here somewhere comes here. Okay, 3, 1. Let's draw this line. Okay, single line you have to draw. Okay. Next table shall we observe? Next table is when x equal to 0, y is 3. Same. When x equal to 3, y is 1. Once again it is the same. So both the lines are overlapping one another. Means it is a coincide line. This is a coincide line. So what is the second line? Graph says lines are coincide each other. Coincide each other. Okay, now third, one more chance is there. Which is that chance? You know which is that chance? Now this question I will give you. 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here all three real numbers are together. If you want, you can write like this. You can use this unknown and known one this side. 4 minus 4 becomes plus 4. Next one more equation is 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 given. So 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. You can write, or here only you can substitute. This no difference will come, same answer will come, but little take care of the sign. Okay, now this graph you have to draw it yourself. We'll see what the answer you will get.